Hello guys, welcome back to today's Tailwind CSS class. Today we are learning hover, focus and active states. These are the classes that makes your button and input respond when the user interacts with them. I will explain everything line by line, so make sure you follow me. Inside the body, we give it BG gray 100, give the whole page a light gray background. B10 gives padding so everything is not touching the edges. And our page title, we give it a text for to increase the font size, font bold for the font width, text center to center the text blue 600, rounded edges and some margin bottom. So now we need to open our terminal to run the code. So we write what npm run dev to check our code on the browser. So this is it. So this is our code. Now we split our screen into two so we can look at everything, all the changes side by side. Right now our screen is being split into two. So let's continue. Let's move to our section 1, the hover part. This is our first container. Let me break the classes. P6 padding around the content, BG white background, shadow MD medium shadow, it lifts the box a little, rounded LG nicely rounded corners, MB8 margin bottom to create spacing before the next section, and the heading uses text 2XL big text, font semi bold a little bold, MB4 space under the heading, text gray 800 dark gray color. Now let's look at the button and the class styles. So the BG blue 500 normal background is medium blue, text white text, PX6 horizontal padding, PY2 vertical padding, rounded corners. Hover BG blue 700. When you hover, background becomes darker. Hover scale 105. Button grows slightly larger. Transition makes the animation smooth. So when you place your mouse on it, the button becomes darker and bigger smoothly. Same container setup, padding white, background, shadow, rounded corners and some margin bottom. Now let's look at the input and break down everything. Border gives it 1 pixel border. Border gray 400, border color is green. PX4 PY2 inside spacing, rounded corner, focus border blue 300, border blue 500. When clicked, border turns blue. Focus ring to add a glow around it. Focus ring blue 300 glow color. Outline none removes the default browser blue outline. Transition smooth animation. Anytime the input is clicked, Tailwind uses focus to change the border and show a blue ring around it. Now we are going to the next, which is active example. So we are going to be doing the same container setup here. Alright, so let's look at the button and give it some style. BG green 500 normal green, text white for the white text, PX6 PY2 padding, rounded corners, active BG green 700. When clicked, background becomes darker, active scale 95, button becomes slightly smaller, press down effect, transition smooth animation. So when you click and hold the button, it shrinks a little and becomes darker. Okay, so let's break down the styles. BG purple 500 is the normal color, text white text, PS6 PY2 padding, rounded corner, hover BG purple 600 slightly harder purple, focus ring for thick ring around button, focus ring purple 300 purple ring color, active BG purple 800 deepest blue when clicking, active scale 95 slight press down effect, transition smooth animation for all changes. So now we were able to cover all the pseudo elements, the focus, the active, and the hover. So this is how we can apply them with our Tailwind without no CSS written. So this is how the hover it work. This is the active, you click on it, and yes, this is our focus. When we click on it, you can see it there. So look at our hover as well. So this is it. Everything is working fine and perfectly. If this video was helpful, give us a like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.